Today we will be demonstrating how to administer testosterone at home. First, you will need a clean syringe, your testosterone, and 2 alcohol packets. First, you will use the syringe. You will sterilize the syringe. Next, you will extrude the testosterone from the vial. Next, you will search for an area you feel comfortable injecting, usually higher in fat. Next, you will apply the alcohol packet and sterilize the injection area you wish to inject. Next, you will get the syringe with testosterone and inject the injection site. Finally, you can dispose of the syringe. Today, we will be demonstrating how to administer testosterone to a loved one. You will need alcohol packets, testosterone, and a clean syringe. After both sterilizing the syringe and the vial, you may now extrude the testosterone into the syringe. Next, you will apply an alcohol packet to the injection site, which is usually the buttocks. Once you have applied the alcohol, you can then administer the syringe into the injection site. And now you are happy to go on your day.